Enjoy the view of this 2021 Audi Q5. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This quietly sophisticated Q5 delivers top-quality design, luxurious comfort, and confidence-inspiring capability. Prepare to fall in love with its solid feel and high-tech safety and connectivity features. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, power liftgate, power passenger seat, wood grain interior trim, dual zone AC, rear AC, power driver seat, aluminum wheels, heated front seat. Refined style meets can-do capability in this captivating Q5. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.